Bubba has really gotten a lot younger over the commercial, hadn't he? It's not
He was
Bubba.
never this good looking.
This is Bubba's son, y'all, Jay, my
Love you, Dad.
nephew. That was pretty good, Jay. Well, Jay has stepped in the kitchen to help me make Meemaw's kitchen sink Christmas cookies. Now, Meemaw was Brooke's grandmother, and it's really, really good, Jay Bird.
So we're gonna do the wet ingredients here, Paula, and what I'm gonna use is 1 cup of vegetable oil, and we're gonna add it to this 1/2 pound or 2 sticks of softened butter, 1 cup of lightly packed brown sugar, 1 cup of granulated sugar. I got 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Okay.
And last but not least, go ahead and get started mixing this up.
Okay.
And what have you got over there?
I've got 3½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. So I'm just gonna whisk this together, and that's it. So we're gonna slowly add this to Jay's wet ingredients. This recipe, Jay, belonged to Brooke's grandmother, her Meemaw. And Meemaw would start the day after Thanksgiving, and she made like 500 Christmas cookies. And that's what she gave all of her family, all of her friends, because that was the way she showed her love. Because a homemade gift is like giving a piece of yourself. They make wonderful Christmas gifts. And you can see why she called this one Meemaw's Kitchen Sink Christmas Cookies.
Yeah.
Because look at all the stuff. They're easy to make.
I think you could probably just clean out your refrigerator.
Yes, but they've got a lot of things in them. So that gets that.
Okay.
All right, so Jay Bird.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna measure out now everything that makes this Meemaw's Kitchen Sink Christmas cookies. I'm gonna measure out a cup of a puff rice cereal.
Nummy, nummy, num.
Yum, yum. 1 cup of oatmeal. Now this is a quick cooking oatmeal. The next thing I'm gonna add is 1 cup of coconut. And the coconut is gonna make these cookies so moist and so delicious. All right, the last ingredient is...
my favorite, toffee.
Yes.
Makes everything better. Put them in before I eat them all. I'm foaming at the mouth.
Okie doke. When you're through beating that up, we're just gonna stir in our other ingredients.
Okay, and I think that this is all done here.
Okie doke.
I'll save the beaters for myself if you don't mind.
No. All right, now, if you would just stir those in.
You got it.
And Jay, your dad and I cooked a wonderful roast.
I've got my cookie dough. I'm just gonna take a scooper and stick 12 little scoops out on a cookie sheet here.
And Bubba is crushing peppermints for us. I'm melting white chocolate, y'all. And once our cookies are baked, we're gonna dip part of it in our white chocolate, and then we're gonna dip it in the crushed peppermint.
Okay, I'm just gonna throw these in the oven on 350 for 12 to 14 minutes.
Okay. How do you like your...
I haven't tried. Cheers.
Apple and pear cider? Did you try it, Bubba?
No, not yet. Cheers.
It's delicious.
Cheers.
It's a warm cider, y'all. You can go to foodnetwork.com for the recipe.
Yummy.
It's nice and warm. It feels so good to the tummy. It's kind of cold outside. So now, Bubba, if you would just pour your peppermint into our dish. Jay Bird, you want to check and see how our cookies are.
I would say they're ready.
Yeah, and they've been in there about 13 or 14 minutes.
It's hot.
All right, our chocolate looks nice. And our cookies look great. Because we use parchment paper, y'all, they didn't stick. So into a little chocolate, and then into the peppermint.
Oh, wow.
And Jay Bird, you have the first cookie.
Actually, I get the first 11 cookies. And then
Yeah, you better watch him.
And into the peppermint again. There's you a cookie, Bubba.
Okay, thank you.
And then mine into the chocolate. And into the peppermint. A beautiful Christmas cookie.
I know, look how pretty they are.
Well, eat up. Aren't they yummy? I love the toffee bits, don't you, Jay Bird?
Yes. You definitely taste those.
And you know, at the holiday time, there's nothing like family and friends. That's the most important thing in the world. The time that you spend with them and the memories.